That's a big one. Now that's huge. You can pull that, man?
Yeah.
That's big.
Let you pull off.
That's because you're sliding on pumpkins.
Look. Yeah, look.
Man, you are good. What was that?
Oh, look at this bounce. Watch this. Want to see it bounce.
Hey, I don't think you're supposed to be pulling those. I don't think you're supposed to be pulling those pumpkins, man.
I can pull it. Wait.
What's wrong?
I don't like that one.
Well, take it off. Take it off and get another one.
Mom doesn't like it.
Get a different one. Gone, gone, gone.